Hi, I'm John Lindo.
I'm Shelley.
And this is what we taught at the BTOO Open in 2020 in Ottawa, freezing Canada. It's snowing and it's cold, but it's all good. This was 2 o'clock on Friday. Start off with a nice easy triple rhythm. We did 1 and 2. We just had a nice easy basic send out. From here, leaders, we did a whip with an inside turn. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Doing a cutoff with a hip catch on 5, 6, 5, 6. The first piece was we executed a basic send out. Followers gather that foot fed, and then we both triple, and triple step, and then we did a sugar push and you were done. So that was a nice easy exit out of that. The second option was we did a nice easy, so we did the send out again. We went 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. This time, leaders, on the whip, I'm still going to do a cutoff with a hip catch, boom, but I'm going to go ahead and take a step down the slot and give the followers a tuck on and 7. And leaders, we're going to sit a little bit into the 7 and 7. Followers, you're doing a nice little French cross. First option was the leaders lift up the hand. Followers, you spiral and give yourself a little bit of a plie. Spiral, leaders walk through, change your hand behind the back, and go into a nice step to the side. From here, we both gathered and went and triple step, and triple step, triple step. Second option for the followers was after this cutoff, into the tuck. Tuck is to walk out, sweep the leg, switch it and land, and then again, still same freeze for the leaders. We also talked about that if I was in front of the follower, then I'm going to lead a sugar push off of my chest as I bring the follower down, 4 and triple step, stay right in front, and then lead the sugar push. So that was the second option if the leaders were way off the slot. I hope you had fun.